Need desktop repairs in Bonita Springs? Our reliable, fast, and affordable services are brought directly to your home or office. Experience expert solutions at your doorstep today. Avoid the hassle of transporting your computer. Our technicians arrive at your location, bringing the repair shop to your door for ultimate convenience and peace of mind. We offer comprehensive desktop repair services, including hardware repairs, software troubleshooting, virus and malware removal, and system optimization. Whatever the issue, we've got you covered. With transparent pricing, there are no surprises. Get an accurate Bonita Springs desktop repair service quote today by calling 239-421-8187. Know what to expect up front. Worried about cost? Ask about our affordable Bonita Springs desktop repair service cost. We ensure quality service without breaking the bank. Trusted by local homes and businesses, we serve Bonita Springs with excellence. Our expert technicians are committed to delivering top-notch desktop repairs. We prioritize your time with fast turnaround times. Choose us for professional technicians, convenient on-site service, and exceptional customer support. We are dedicated to providing the best desktop repair experience. From slow performance to hardware failures, we've got you covered. Get your desktop running like new with our expert repair services. Call 239-421-8187 or visit BonitaSpringsDesktopRepairService.com to schedule your repair. Don't wait. Get your desktop fixed today.